MFRDAG, Mr. Farid. Kenapa banyak drama NCBL ni? Wow, oi, ni cerita panas. Ni cerita panas. Assalamualaikum guys. So my name is Coach Izzat. Hari ni kita nak jawab sikit Q&A yang kita ada tanya dekat IG Go Strong and my IG. The first question from Muhammad Al-Qayyum. How to maintain cool and calm on the court? Nak cakap cool and calm ni sebenarnya dia kena untuk karakter sendiri and by experience lah. Banyak player kadang-kadang selalunya lah player muda, dia senang marah ke apa pasal dia tak dapat nak kawal emotion dia. So kat situ matang dalam handling masalah tu sangat penting lah. Bukan dalam atas court je tapi dalam life kita, how kita handle kitanya problem. Next question by Najmuddin B. What would you tell a big man that has to guard someone bigger than him? Basically ni big man jaga big man lah. Kalau big man kecil, jaga big man lagi besar. So kalau nak cakap pasal defensive way, susah nak cakap juga pasal it's a big man, it's a dominance game. But it's more on IQ lah, how you help double team. Basically defense is about playing together. Kita kalau betul-betul tak boleh nak lawan seorang, kita perlukan teammate kita lah. That's where actually help defense or kita punya teammate datang help kita is a important part. Alright. Jiha Osman. Go strong, go pro. Maksudnya go strong going for pro kot soalan dia. Looking at where we are moving, insyaAllah not pro lah but semi pro, pro. We are going with the flow bro Jiha. InsyaAllah with more sponsorship, more effort from the management team. Not to say kita orang ada less effort, macam more people helping us to grow this club. InsyaAllah pro is the next step untuk kita orang. InsyaAllah bro. Next question by Nash Kisuke. Any tryout for Division 3 teams for NCBL 2021 or maybe a new team? InsyaAllah we'll have a tryout and macam biasa lah kita akan share dekat news IG kita. Okay bro? So you can check it out. Next question by M Nazim 76. Any plans to do basketball camp for under 12? Yes, insyaAllah bro. As we plan, maybe end of the year kita akan ada basketball camp under 12, under 18. Kita akan ada yang macam open juga untuk semua orang. So anything we'll update soon on our IG juga. You can check it out and don't forget to follow Go Strong Academy. So kat situ lagi you can get more details on the camp. Ada satu lagi soalan. Who would you pick to be NBA champions? Syarul Imran. Bro, confirm Lakers bro. Confirm Lakers. Nuggets memang power lah. Kalau kita tengok ada orang cakap Nuggets ke apa, but Lakers, insyaAllah Lakers bro. Pasal dia sangat dominant, player dia orang complete. LeBron James baru 50%. So it tells everything lah sebenarnya. Right bro. So I think ramai orang pun akan ingat Lakers juga. Jom lah pergi tempat lain. Okay, next question from Muhammad Yazid. Alright, Muhammad Yazid. Dia tanya, how to stay positive like you? Masya Allah brother. Nak cakap tu pun to stay positive is actually semua mental lah. How kita, again, kita go through things always. Because if kita look at negative sebenarnya, dia akan macam buat kita rasa tak best. Kita always negative. It's how actually kita set kitanya mentality lah. Always bersangka baik, berfikir baik tentang orang. Jangan apa, walaupun dia buat salah, kita tak kisahlah dia buat salah pun. Pasal kita yakin dengan Tuhan ni kan. Macam kita yakin Tuhan, apa kita buat sebaik, kita buat kerana Allah. Kalau dia buat tak baik, itu masalah dia lah sebenarnya. Kita doakan kebaikan untuk dia juga. You know, benda macam ni sebenarnya it's just how you live your lifestyle. Kita kena jujur dengan diri kita yang kita nak jadi orang baik. So kita jadilah orang baik yang betul-betul kan. So jadi baik. So dari baik, cara baik, aktiviti baik kita akan jadi lebih positif lah. So dari karakter kita sendiri, minda kita sendiri, so that's how kita boleh maintain lah, jadi positif. Go strong. MFRDAG, Mr. Farid, kenapa banyak drama NCBL ni? Wow, oi, ni cerita panas. Ni cerita panas. Banyak sangat drama, tak adalah, biasalah. Untuk personally ni bukan untuk go strong lah. Personally saya rasa tak ada league yang perfect pun. Tapi dalam masa sama, everyone try to buat liga yang best ke apa. Maybe dari pihak organizer, dari pihak team atau dari players. Benda macam ni memang tak boleh dielakkan sebenarnya. Tapi macam mana kita handle situasi tu yang cara paling penting lah. Pasal macam mana kita handle situasi tu tunjukkan cara kita dari pihak mana-mana pun. That's my own personal opinion lah. So kalau nak cakap drama, semua benda ada drama bro. How kita manage it, how kita settlekan, and always look at the positive way lah. Alright. Next question, Nick Nur Atirah. Hi Nick, Assalamualaikum. Hope kita dah move on dah lepas game Angels, but it's okay, next year kita boleh come back again. So Nick Nur Atirah tanya, should we do dribble, shooting, layup every day or make it different each day? Sebenarnya for coach, tak kisah what is your preference, but usually untuk orang yang kurang dribble, you tambah dribble. Kalau orang kurang shooting, tambah shooting. So that's how you adjust to your game lah sebenarnya. Always work on your weakness. Time-time macam ni kita work on our weakness. Pasal nanti bila time coach bagi training or drill, dia usually akan work benda-benda yang basic kita. So kita boleh cope up dengan training. Bila kadang-kadang kita main high level, kalau kita punya dribbling tak okay, kita tak boleh nak buat certain move apa semua. So just make sure your basic is solid. Put more time in whatever you think you should focus on. Then that's where you move to the next steps lah. Maksudnya apa-apa yang seterusnya nak kena buat. Macam kalau fokus dengan dribble, next shooting. So yup. Next, Pastel Hasnah, any ritual or things you do before a game and why? I'm a caffeine, macam memang caffeine addict lah. Maksudnya suka minum kopi kan. So usually before the game, I memang ada coffee dengan I sebelum game. So I ada rasa macam adrenaline sikit. Tak tahulah itu psikologi ke apa. But yeah, besides that, tak ada apalah. Next question by Su Tazin. In 1 to 10, how much do you think you have achieved in this life, both in career and personal life? Achieve, I don't know. Sebenarnya kalau nak cakap 1 to 10, I always say 10 because I'm so blessed. Tak boleh nak cakap macam mana. Career and personal, basically whatever, my career is my personal life because I enjoy doing basketball. I enjoy coaching basketball. I enjoy meeting with friends. I enjoy doing basketball stuff. Talk about future, talk about kids. Basically, I cannot be blessed anymore lah. Macam nak cakap pun tak tahu because people around me sangat baik, sangat positif about helping go strong, about helping me in growing this game. So thank you so much for asking this question because I'm so grateful that I get to tell what macam benda-benda blessing ni semua. Memang I sangat thankful. So yep, that's the last question for the Q&A from Izzat Go Strong. So before kita end this video, so I nak cakap thanks to our partners macam Rhino ni, thank you very much guys. Walaupun kita last minute punya deal, but you still guys deliver. And to doctors, Dr. Cheng and Dr. Rahmani hari tu coming for our annual dinner. Thank you very much. Hope to see you guys again. To Mind Gap, Aiman and Joshua, our sports psychologist who's coming in to help us with our club after this. Inshallah, let's work for the better for the players lah. And not to forget my team, management, our vice president, Wan Putra Syaril. Thank you so much, bro. All the efforts, all the from Division 1 team and all the management team, you have been helping us. Izzat Bakari, Azahari, Gabe, Muklis, Ashraf, you, our videographer Imran Hani, thank you so much. You guys made this happen. Not to forget my brothers, siblings, my parents, and not to forget all of you guys out there who's been supporting us. Thank you very much. I hope you guys can like and subscribe our YouTube for more content, because we're gonna have more content. We need more support from you guys to help us to share this awareness of loving basketball. Peace out, brother.
Okay, now. What's wrong?